Mm, mm, yeah. Some things are worn from holding on. Some parts get tired from staying strong. And not everything is meant to last the same way it once did in the past. There comes a time to stop and see what still supports your energy. What needs repair, what needs release, what brings you strain, what brings you peace. Repair or replace, realign with your needs. Listen to the places asking to be free. You do not have to keep what no longer leads. Repair or replace, realign with your needs. Some answers rise when people pause and look beneath the stress and flaws. What's breaking down may simply show where change is trying hard to grow. And what feels heavy, forced or drained, may not be yours to still maintain. The right next step can start to clear when people honor what feels real. Repair or replace, realign with your needs. Listen to the places asking to be free. You do not have to keep what no longer leads. Repair or replace, realign with your needs. Realign with your needs. Not every ending is a loss. Not every change should feel like cost. Sometimes the kindest thing to do is choose what still feels right for you. Repair or replace, realign with your needs. Trust the quiet wisdom that lives